Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Current Affairs for You. Let's begin the important current affairs of 9th January for 2021. So before the video, watch the video completely and share with your friends, those who are preparing for government exams. So the first question for today is, which country successfully test fired Fateh 1, which is a guided multi-launch rocket system? Options are India, South Korea, Pakistan, Russia. So option C, Pakistan is correct answer. So Fateh 1, which is a multi-launch rocket system, recently test fired successfully by Pakistan. So Pakistan, who is the current Prime Minister? He is Imran Khan. Imran Khan is the present Prime Minister of Pakistan and capital is Islamabad. So recently India launched a satellite called Communication Satellite CMS-1 by using PSLV C-50 launching vehicle. Polar Satellite Launching Vehicle C-50. So South Korea launched an Ashish satellite, and Russia launched, I told you many times, Angara 5. Recent, these are all recent satellites launched by different countries. Next question, who has been appointed as the new Chief Justice of Uttarakhand? Options are Hima Kohli, R.S. Chauhan, Sudhanshu Dhulia, S. Muralidhar. Option B is correct here. R.S. Chauhan has been appointed as the new Chief Justice for Uttarakhand. So Hima Kohli has been appointed as Telangana State Chief Justice recently, and Sudhanshu Dhulia has been appointed as Guwahati High Court Chief Justice, and S. Muralidhar has been appointed as Odisha's Chief Justice. So there has been lot of shuffling of Chief Justice, so you remember these for today. Next question, who has launched Satark Nagarik mobile app and also Departmental Vigilance Officers portal? Options are Manoj Sinha, Naveen Patnaik, Mamta Banerjee, Ashok Gehlot. So option A is correct here. Manoj Sinha launched an app and a portal. The name of the app is Satark Nagarik and the portal is Departmental Vigilance Officers. So who is Manoj Sinha? Manoj Sinha is Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir. Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, who is Manoj Sinha, launched Satark Nagarik, which is a mobile app, and Departmental Vigilance Officers mobile portal. And who is Naveen Patnaik? Odisha's Chief Minister. Mamta Banerjee, West Bengal's Chief Minister, and Ashok Gehlot, Rajasthan's Chief Minister. So Rajasthan, in Jaipur, Rajasthan, National Institute of Ayurveda has been launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and Automated Banknote Processing Center. This center has been launched by RBI, Reserve Bank of India, in Jaipur, Rajasthan. And in West Bengal, there is a football stadium called Barasat, and the name of the football stadium has been changed to Diego Maradona, who is a famous football player from Argentina, and he died recently. Next, Naveen Patnaik, Odisha state government launched Orunodoi scheme. Under this scheme, 830 rupees will be given every month to the female household, head of the female household. Next question, which state or union territory will be benefited by the new industrial development scheme for 2021, which is approved by CCEA, recently chaired by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi? So now there will be a state or a union territory which will be benefited by new industrial development scheme 2021, and this is approved by CCEA, and this is chaired by Narendra Modi. So option C is correct here. Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory is going to be benefited by new industrial development scheme for 2021 by CCEA, and this is chaired by Narendra Modi. So what is CCEA stands for? Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs. And this is chaired by Narendra Modi. So which union territory? Jammu and Kashmir. Next, let's talk about Tamil Nadu and Kerala and Assam. So Kerala topped in literacy, young child environment outcome, and young child outcome index, young child environment index, young child outcome index, and literacy. This is topped by Kerala. Next, Tamil Nadu. there is a district called Hosuru in Tamil Nadu, Hosuru, and in this district Ola's world's largest e-scooter plant has been inaugurated in Hosuru, Tamil Nadu. Very important point. And one more thing, there is a place called Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu, and in this Coimbatore, Defense Logistic Production Center as well as Atal Innovation Park, these two has been launched in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Next, let's talk about Assam. 8th Northeast Festival has been held at Guwahati, Assam, and 6th National Park is going to be constructed, that is Raimona National Park, which is in Assam. So the Chief Minister is Sarbananda Sonowal. Next question, which bank recently signed 2 loan agreements worth $646 million with Government of Andhra Pradesh and Government of India? Options are ICICI, ADB, HDFC, New Development Bank. So option D is correct here. New Development Bank recently signed 2 loan agreements with Government of Andhra Pradesh and also with Government of India, and the worth is $646 million. This is with New Development Bank. So Dena Bank and Vijaya Bank, these 2 banks are merged with ADB. Next question, who has become the first Chief Information Officer of the US Army? Options are Gyanendra Ningombam, Raj Iyer, Avik Sarkar, Uday Shankar. So option B is correct here. Indo-American called Raj Iyer has been appointed as first Chief Information Officer of the US Army. Very important, Raj Iyer. So Gyanendra Ningombam has been appointed as President of Hockey India, and Avik Sarkar has been appointed as Press Trust of India Chairman. FICCI Chairman Uday Shankar has been appointed by Chairman of FICCI. Next question, which of the following state government launched Krishi Sanjeevani vans, which is to test soil and water? So Krishi Sanjeevani vans, which is going to be test soil and water. So which state government launched this? Options are Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Mizoram. So option C is correct here. Karnataka state government launched Krishi Sanjeevani vans, and who is the Chief Minister of Karnataka? B.S. Yediyurappa. And now Gujarat, there is a place called Kutch in Gujarat. Recently Prime Minister Modi launched 3 things in this Kutch, Gujarat. What are those? Desalination plant, milk producing and packaging center, and one more thing, hybrid renewable energy park. These 3 things inaugurated by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Next, let's talk about Madhya Pradesh. In recent news, Madhya Pradesh state government aims to eliminate AIDS by 2030, and world's largest floating solar energy project will begin in Madhya Pradesh state government on Omkareshwar Dam and on Narmada River, which is in Khandwa district of Madhya Pradesh. What is it? World's largest floating solar energy project. Next, Mizoram. Let's talk about Mizoram. The Chief Minister of Mizoram is Joram Thanga, and the governor is Sridharan Pillai. And the recent news about Mizoram is first ever solar power plant has been inaugurated in Mizoram, and that is at Tulungavel district of Mizoram. Next question, so Karnataka Chief Minister Yediyurappa inaugurated 40 Krishi Sanjeevani vans in Bangalore, which is to test soil and water. Next question, who chaired an academic advisory council called College of Supervisions set up by RBI? Options are N.S. Vishwanathan, G. Kishan Reddy, Vidisha Maitri, Amit Shah. So option A is correct here. N.S. Vishwanathan has been chaired an academic advisory council, and the name of the academic advisory council is College of Supervisions, and this is set up by RBI, called Reserve Bank of India, and who is the head? N.S. Vishwanathan. So G. Kishan Reddy has been appointed as a committee. What is it? And Vidisha Maitri also, and Amit Shah also. So Amit Shah is the head of a committee to celebrate 125th birthday anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and Vidisha Maitri has been appointed as Vidisha Maitri has been appointed as UN Advisory Committee on Administrative and Budgetary Questions. UN Advisory Committee for Advisory and Administrative and Budgetary Questions. This is headed by Vidisha Maitri. And who is the other one? G. Kishan Reddy. G. Kishan Reddy has been appointed to protect language and culture land of Ladakh. Language, culture and land of Ladakh Union Territory, and this is headed by G. Kishan Reddy. Next question. Which of the following IIT, Indian Institute of Technology, collaborated with PNB, Punjab National Bank, to set up FinTech Innovation Center? Options are IIT Madras, IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay, IIT Kanpur. So option D is correct here. IIT Kanpur has been collaborated with Punjab National Bank to set up FinTech Innovation Center. Next question. Center approved new national highway project worth 5,801 crore rupees in which state? Options are Arunachal Pradesh, Maharashtra, Himachal Pradesh, Meghalaya. So option B is correct here. In Maharashtra state, so central government has been approved 5,801 crores to construct national highway, a new national highway in Maharashtra state. So Arunachal Pradesh topped in sex ratio with 1085, and Himachal Pradesh, there is a place called Mandi, and Mandi topped PMGSY, Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. Meghalaya, recently Cherry Blossom Festival, which is celebrated in Meghalaya, has been cancelled due to Corona. So that's all for today's current affairs. Hope you guys like the video. Share with your friends, and thank you.